Hello, and good morning or good afternoon, wherever you may be located while tuning in. Welcome to my short video on Siemens Solid Edge with Synchronous and Design Intent. I am your host, Michael Charleston, with Geometric Solutions, here to help you better understand your technology. You may ask yourself, why choose Geometric Solutions? Well, I have an answer. We have the experience with over 20 years of PLM support. We deliver product, production, and performance solutions for your company's everyday needs. We also have a dedicated support team to help you with your everyday Siemens software and licensing issues. As a proud partner in the Siemens digital industry, our company walks the talk and makes sure your PLM needs are always taken care of. The simplicity of direct modeling with the control of parametric design. Synchronous. Solid Edge Synchronous technology allows you to rapidly create new concept designs, easily respond to change requests, and make simultaneous updates to multiple parts within an assembly. With this design flexibility, you can eliminate cumbersome pre-planning and avoid feature failures, rebuild issues, and time-consuming rework. The power of synchronous technology also allows you to treat multi-CAD data just like native files, supporting seamless collaboration with suppliers and partners. The steering wheel. This is the primary tool used with synchronous technology when implementing design changes, allowing you to manipulate and edit your 3D model part or assembly with ease. This tool appears whenever you select a face or a feature on your 3D geometry. Without even needing a sketch, you are able to quickly modify the surfaces or edges of your part or assembly. In the image to the left, we have the steering wheel. You have 3 axes, the X, Y, and Z, with 3 knobs for easy adjusting, the tool plane highlighted in blue, the torus or wheel with 4 knobs for easy rotating, and the origin knob, the center point for your steering wheel tool, which is used to move the wheel to any desired location. The steering wheel displays differently depending on the geometry that is being selected. When working on your part or assembly, you will notice that the tool appears in different forms. The 3D face tool is going to appear whenever you select a solid face or surface. This function is used to extrude material by adding additional material to the part or removing material from the part. The cylinder tool. This is used to change the size of an existing hole or curved surface without the need of entering or modifying a sketch. The 2D steering wheel appears when you have an axis to rotate a selected surface or surfaces, a feature or features around, allowing you to quickly modify an angle, a bend, or a series of features on a part. When selecting the origin, all three features come together, and you get what is called the 3D steering wheel, which can be moved and placed anywhere to modify geometry. The origin of the steering wheel. No matter which feature of the steering wheel is present, there is always going to be an origin. The origin will appear as the largest circle on the tool and is going to be your primary point of control when moving your steering wheel around your part, assembly, or features. You can easily click the origin and then click on the surface or feature you wish to move the steering wheel to, or you may click and drag to the desired location you want your steering wheel to be at. The tool can be snapped to edges, faces, planes, lines, vertices, and key points throughout your part or assemblies. Your steering wheel has 3 axes, which are referred to as your X, Y, and Z coordinates. You can easily select any access point and start to drag the selected face or feature along that axis of the steering wheel. You can also make precision changes by typing in a value when the edit field appears after selecting the axis you wish to adjust. But enough explaining. Let's jump into a live demonstration of the tool in action as I build the block shown here. Once we have Solid Edge open, we're going to go to New, Isometric Part. We're going to do a simple rectangle. We're going to choose a plane to lock to. We will then add our desired specifications to our rectangle block that we are going to be creating. We're going to exit out of our sketch. We are then going to extrude the part without selecting the extrude feature. We are going to use the Synchronous technology with the wheel, select the face, and you're going to see our 3D tool face appear. We're then going to add some material to create our full block. We are then going to lock to our new face and draw a simple rectangle. And then we're going to draw a few more lines here and then dimension them so we can get the initial shape of that part that we're looking for. Just going to go ahead and throw in some simple dimensions here. Making sure that our design is symmetric. We're going to add a center line here between our 2 rectangles. We're going to trim out our undesired lines that are not needed, giving us our design for our initial part. We can then select in each face here, and you will see the 3D face tool will appear, allowing us, without even again selecting the extrude command, to easily add or remove material. Now we're just going to go ahead and throw that there We're not going to give it any specific height. We're then going to lock to our side face and just draw a line on a random angle. Again, no specifications here, because we are going to use our synchronous technology to adjust it to our desired angle. So you can see here, after we have drawn our line with synchronous technology and design intent, it knows that we would like to cut that corner off of our block. Now let's just say our block is a little too long. We can always select the face and adjust that angle plane. If we exit out, you see that our 3D wheel tool appears. We can put it on that access point line there, and then we can use the 2D steering wheel to easily manipulate and adjust the angle that we have already created with the previous sketch. Now let's just say our part was too long. We can easily select both faces and add or remove material as needed. Now that we have our initial part, let's just go ahead and make some more modifications. So you can see here we have symmetric with design intent on, and you can see the part equally extrudes and removes material as we move our 3D face tool back and forth. Now let's just say we want to modify one side only. We can turn off symmetric and then just modify the one side. So now let's go ahead and add a circle. We can lock to our face. We will get the center points of that face. We will create our circle. And then again with our synchronous technology, without even going to the extrude feature, we can add or remove material. And now we have our part completed with a couple extra additions. Thank you for tuning in on my short for Siemens Solid Edge using synchronous technology with design intent. Again, I am your host, Michael Charleston, with Geometric Solutions. I hope to see you next time on another video short with Siemens Solid Edge.